Hi everyone, welcome to my trading session. Today, as always, I'm trading using my simple strategy, no indicators, just quick 1-minute trades. I'm starting with a balance of $100 and we will see how much we can turn it into by end of the session. Watch closely, let's get started. On the first currency pair, the price is pressing tightly against the resistance level. That usually means a breakout is coming. I'm going to enter the trade up. Let's see the result. Make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, that's where I share the exact signals I trade with every day. I will leave the link in the description below. So far things are looking good, the price is really moving just like we predicted, the breakout is clearly happening, and I think this one going to end in profit. The first trade closed successfully, but the price didn't fully play out its potential. I think it makes sense to enter another trade on the same currency pair, this time again for an upward move. That was a really confident move and we just made $368, great result. Let's go find another signal. On this currency pair, the price is squeezing toward the resistance level. We can see an uptrend, so I'm entering from the support level. The price keeps dropping sharply with a strong impulse, but we still have enough time left. Hopefully it's enough for the price to start moving upward. Nice, there was a sudden impulse that made me a bit nervous, but the price got back on the track and we closed the trade in profit. $700 on the balance now, let's keep going. I found a strong signal, the price reached the resistance level and showed us two red candles, which indicates a trend reversal. This resistance level has worked many times before, so I'm confidently entering the trade. Perfect trade, a huge red candle and that's profit. $1,300 on the balance already. Amazing result. The market really looking good today, so I think we can take a couple more trades. I waited a bit for this currency pair to drop down to the support level. It's clearly visible here too. Now I'm entering the trade. I'm not gonna wait for a full trend reversal because the price might break through. I just want to catch this moment while it bounces off the support level. Nice, $2,600 on the balance. Let's move on to the next currency pair. Perfect signal for the last trade. The balance is already solid, so no need to take big risks. I picked a pretty reliable setup for this one. Perfect, that 1 minute was just enough to grab our profit, and now the balance is at $4,400. We started with only 100. I would say that was a great trading session. I'm gonna go get some rest now, but if you guys enjoyed this kind of content, drop a like. I'll keep trying to post video daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, and I will leave a link to the platform in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.